Everybody, this is John, and for the free video, let's take a look. I want to take a look at the trade. I didn't record it live. I guess I should have. It'd have been a good kind of a learning opportunity. But let's take a look at a trade that I did into the close today. Got stopped out on, and what I was looking for is a very, very quiet day. So I kind of had alerts on at plus 1,000 ticks and minus 1,000 ticks. All right, and so we got the minus 1,000 tick reading, and that took place when the markets were about right here on the S&Ps. So we got in, and I actually ended up taking the trade on the Russell. And so we got in here for one contract, and then one contract, and then three contracts, and then had a stop, okay? And the idea with this is typically you'll get the first two contracts, then you just flip it out and get your 10 ticks in the Russell, or the equivalent would be 1 point in the S&Ps. And here you can see it's very odd. I actually haven't seen this before, where the market kept pushing lower and lower and lower, and you know, we actually never got lower tick readings. Like we got the minus 1,001 here, and then you can see we just kind of kept going and going and going, and nothing happened, and then the market eventually turned and rallied. So it was kind of an unusual day. I actually have not seen that one, and that's the one thing I like about the markets, is that, you know, there's always something new. You know, in hindsight, you know, is there anything I would have done different on this? Not really. I mean, you had a kind of a combination of a nice couple of things there. In retrospect, you know, it's one of those things where we kind of got stopped out just at the low of the move, and then it flipped back higher, and then we got the move that we were looking for. So just one of the things that happens. I look at this and say, okay, is there anything we could have done differently there? And you know, there really wasn't. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. This is a trade I found, though, that typically 8 times out of 10, by doing this methodology, you actually end up with a profit on the trade. So that was the trade today. We'll take a look at it again tomorrow and fire it out. Overall, of course, today a very choppy day. I'm going to do the update here, the premium newsletter here fairly soon, and see what we're looking for tomorrow. And then I did want to point out too that we have a free webinar tonight, of course, and a lot of you already signed up for that. We also have another one on Thursday, and this one's going to be fun because we haven't done one with these guys before. And it's going to be myself and Hubert, and then Todd Gordon and Dave Floyd. And then Todd and Dave joined Rob and Hubert and myself out in Park City. And what these guys specialize in is they manage funds in currencies, and they specialize in the voodoo charts, which is Elliott Wave and intermarket analysis, which I think is pretty fascinating. I think it's a good arsenal, and it'll be a nice educational event. This will be this upcoming Thursday at 7 o'clock Central, 8 o'clock East Coast time. Again, that'll be Thursday, so 2 days from tonight. And if you would like to attend this, you will just put in your name, email address, and phone number here. Good to go. All right, you guys have a great night. Good trading. We'll see you at the next update.